Hello, my name is Elijah Williams, and the name of my project is The Effect of Sports on Caloric Intake and Sleeping Patterns. Well, to start off, I believe that the reason that I chose this idea is because I am an athlete myself and find that I usually eat more and sleep less than my peers. After seeing this, I wanted to see if this was common among athletes. With my personal experiences, my hypothesis was that the athletes would consume a significantly more amount of calories and receive significantly less sleep than the non-athletes. So to start my experiment, I gathered a group of 20 of my male peers. Half of the group participated in sports at the varsity level at the school, and the other half of the group did not participate in any sports at a varsity level or any level in our school. Um, I then gave each of them a survey and asked them to record the amount of calories that they consumed each day of the week by keeping up with the nutrition facts that was on the food that they ate throughout the day. The survey also asked each of the participants to record the amount of sleep that they received each night by recording the time that they fell asleep and the time that they woke up and finding the difference between the two times recorded. After the week was done, I collected each of the surveys and plugged all the data into an Excel spreadsheet. After that, I used a t-test to find if there was a significant difference between the amounts of calories that the non-athletes and the athletes consumed and the amount of sleep that each athlete and non-athlete received. After the t-test, the first part of my hypothesis that was stated that the athletes would consume a significantly more amount of calories than the non-athletes was supported. After running the t-test again, I also found that the second part of my hypothesis was rejected. It was found that there was not a significant difference between the amount of sleep that the athletes and non-athletes received each night. After conducting the experiment, I was thinking possibly that if a person were to try to continue the work on this project, that they may be able to isolate different sports and compare them to each other and non-athletes as well. Also, I could do this if I could do this experiment over again, I would more than likely try to find a more accurate way of measuring the caloric intake of the participants rather than having them try to count the calories themselves. And my name is Elijah Williams, and that was my project on the effect of sports on caloric intake and sleeping patterns.